Okay, I just want to quickly go over my trades for the day. I already did a recording a few hours ago, and I just re-listened to the recording, and the audio seemed to cut out a bit. So I'm gonna just do a briefer version here. Um, Overall day, not the greatest. Down 18,000. Um, that's a big number. That's a bigger red day than a bigger green day I've had in a while. Yesterday I had a $12,000 day, and that was pretty impressive for myself. And then an $18,000 day, that really is a punch to the gut. So what happened? What went wrong? So I did sleep in today, and I missed the opening range breakout to the downside. I'm not saying that I would have gotten that. It looks kind of choppy, except for this initial push at the market open rejection. You could have taken it short, at 367.50s, and then seen a consolidation and then another drop. Another entry around 366.20s. But I got in about 11:30. So after it's had initial drop, first rejection of the 13 EMA, and then a break over, I believe I got in my first trade right around this fade here. So it was a good trade. I think I made just under 5,000 on this trade, and that's where I should have closed up shop. But what ended up happening was there was a lot of wiki grindy action, especially right here. And believe it or not, this one grinding section took all of my profits for the day. So instead of zooming out and looking on the 5-minute, waiting to hit the 13 EMA for an entry, I got picky, and I started to realize that every time before, it would hug the 13 EMA on the 2-minute. So I started to load into a position around the 2-minute 13 EMA, right around the 359.30s area. And when it pushed all the way up to the 49 or 48 EMA on the 2, which is the 13 or close to the 13 on the 5, I began to get under some pressure here. And when it came down in a relief bounce right here, so it came down, I was just under break even. And when it broke over this consolidation period, instead of breaking down, that's when I decided to get out. And because of my frustration, I took a $9,000 loss because I was frustrated from being up from just under 5,000 to now being down 4,000. I took it long off the bounce of the 13 EMA right here. And I hit it big size, and obviously it failed, and I stopped out for another $4,000 loss, which put me down 13. And from there, it just spiraled out of control. I traded my P&L. I didn't trade well. I traded all over the place. Wherever I thought there'd be a bounce or pivot, I didn't respect the EMAs or the support resistance levels I already traced out. So I had a troubling day, but that's okay. Sometimes you just have to zoom out and realize and understand where you are on the month or the year, and that kind of helps you calm yourself down, put it into perspective that not every day is going to be a great day. And realistically, from the beginning of September, and right now it's only the middle of October, I'm still up $66,000 with an account of this $18,000 loss. So you can put it that way, and it doesn't sound so bad. But again, it wasn't the greatest action to my benefit. Yes, I overtraded. Yes, I was emotional. I let the psychology of trading get to me. But you know what? I gave it my all, and Monday's a new day, and I'm looking forward to the week coming up. I think I'm going to take, I got cocky at the end of this week. I should have been done at 5,000. 5,000 is normally my daily goal. And I hit that pretty much on my first trade of the day. So I wanted to get more, and I got greedy. So I think next week I'll dial it back in, and I will aim for 5,000 roughly a day. And that should be, 4 days. That's 20,000 on the week. 25,000 on the week if we can get all 5 green days. But till then, we're just going to take it slow, steady, calm and collected. And that'll be all for me. So red day, but not the end of the world. I'll catch you guys on Monday morning for the early morning stream. Take it easy.